Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will talk about one of my absolute favorite flowering plant called Hollyhock. Hollyhocks are awesome plants. They're one of the best plants you can grow in your garden. They come with big flowers with a wide range of color and they almost look like hibiscus flowers. They're also related to the hibiscus plants. Hollyhocks are classic cottage garden flowers. They stand out in the garden because of their heights. You can see how tall these are growing. They're one of the tallest plants you can grow in the garden. In the ground, they can grow more than 6 feet tall and they really add a great structure and dynamic look to the garden. I really like the cottage garden style and plants with different heights. They're also great for attracting bees and other pollinators. Hollyhocks can be annual or short-lived perennial depending on the climate. In Kolkata, we grow them in the winter-spring season, but you can save them for up to 3 years and get a little bit of flowers all year round. They're quite easy to grow plants and they're also very easy to manage in containers too. I have grown all my plants in pots and they have reached 6 to 8 feet tall. You can start growing them from seeds or you can buy small saplings. This is how the seeds look like. Just take the seeds and put them in the soil. Water them and keep them moist. Keep them in a bright area, they will germinate in a week or two. So here I have some plants in tiny pots which I will repot. Transplant your seedlings when they are young. They have tap roots, so don't disturb the roots. You can start from small pots or you can directly plant them in the final location. To grow them, choose a big pot like 10 or 12 inch size because they get quite large and they have really big foliage. The leaves are almost like pumpkin leaves, so they will need space to grow well. I have grown my plants in 8-inch pots too and they're doing fine, but a big pot is best for them. Hollyhocks prefer a bright sunny area, so give them full sunlight. You can also grow them in partial shade, but to get the maximum flowers, give them at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. If you live in hot climate, then you should give them afternoon protection so they don't get stressed. Here you can see this is how the flower buds come. They really bloom a lot and once they start blooming, they will flower for a long time. You should give them some kind of support if they get too tall because strong winds or heavy rain can break them. Hollyhocks will grow in any type of soil, but for best results, you should grow them in a rich, well-draining and moist media. Prepare your potting mix with a good garden soil. Mix a lot of compost so they get all the nutrition and mix a handful of bone meal to boost flowering. During the growth, feed them with organic liquid fertilizer. I use mustard cake. You can also use seaweed fertilizer. Add some compost and some mixed fertilizer every 20 to 30 days to keep them healthy overall. They are big plants, so in containers you have to feed them very well. Although they are quite drought-tolerant plants, but you should water them properly and regularly. They like moist condition, but don't overwater them. Always check the soil before watering. They have quite big foliage, so they will need lots of water, especially in the containers. Another important job is pruning and deadheading. So after the flowers dry up, remove it from the plant. Don't let them get to seed. It will help the plant save energy and produce more flowers for a very long time. You should also remove any old, damaged and yellow leaves from the bottom of the plant to keep it clean and disease-free. Hollyhocks can get some pest problems like aphids, spider mites, mealybug, also powdery mildew. Here you can see I have some caterpillars on my plant. So spray them with neem oil or any organic pesticide time to time to save them from disease and pest attack. So growing hollyhocks are quite easy. These are the very simple things that you have to do to grow them. Hollyhocks are great plants. I love these plants and you will love them too. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. I will see you next time. Bye!